calling all my seafood lovers. So let's go ahead and jump into today's seafood boil. This is what my kids requested for dinner. So I decided to go ahead and make it for them. And along with doing so, let's go ahead and share today's recipe. Let's jump right in. Alright, yeah, come jump in here. Let me make the seafood boil real quick. So I'm gonna be using snow crab legs. I got these from Sam's Club. I'm also gonna be using some jumbo shrimp that's already peeled and deveined, 4 eggs, some corn and potatoes, a whole heap of garlic for this, 1 onion. You're gonna need some lemon. You're also gonna need butter. I'm using unsalted butter. Please do not use salted butter. A whole bunch of seasoning. I'm using some chicken stock, and I'm gonna give you exactly how much seasoning and what I'm using in the description box below, but this is about a tablespoon of everyone. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and start off. So I have a pot of boiling water, and I'm going to go ahead and add some obey, and I'm also going to go ahead and add some Cajun seasoning to it. Remember, everybody cook differently, so me why here, that's not how I make seafood boil. This is how I make me one, okay? Anyways, so today I'm going to go ahead and add some lemon, and I added no more seasoning because, of course, the sauce is going to have a whole lot of seasoning in it. So I'm very cautious on what I add when I'm boiling my seafood. You do what you want to do. Alright, so in the pot I already throw in my corn, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in the potatoes as them two gonna boil at the same time. So let me just dash them in there and go along with it. Alright, so we corn and potato been boiling for like about 10 minutes. I went ahead and added the the eggs to it. Let me make the sauce. So I gonna blend up my onion and I gonna blend up my garlic together. Some people like their own blended, that's fine. Do it like how I just do it here too. Just blend it. Some people also like to just saute down their onions and garlic because they like to see the chunks of onion. That's okay too. So anyways, I went ahead and added 2 sticks of butter, unsalted butter, to a pan, and then you want to dash in all your seasonings. Once you do that, you go ahead and add your garlic and your onion paste to that, and you just want to mix it around. Once the mix around, give it a little time for bubble, you add the chicken stock and some water. Now I went ahead and I added 3 tablespoons of sugar, and I also added a whole lemon, the juice of a lemon. And then I sprinkle some of the zest of the lemon. That's it. That's all you need for this. Guys, at this point, taste this sauce for your own. See if you like it. If you want, adjust it. Trust and believe you would need no more adjustment. This is it. Alright, so this been boiling up for a little minute. So we added the crabs in about 10 minutes ago. Now that it's coming to the end, I'm gonna go ahead and add the shrimp. And this is what I do. I just add my shrimp and turn off my heat. I don't leave it on. Just turn off the heat and let it sit here and cook by. Alright, so everything done boil up and looking good. I went ahead and I poured out in my big bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add my egg because I'll go ahead and shell it off. I also add some kielbasa sausage. I don't ever like know how to say kielbasa. It's too close to kielbasa. Trust me, it's got me stuttering all kind of thing. Anyways, so let me continue what we're doing. And then you could do this however you want to do it. If you want, just eat your seafood like this. This is already seasoned up since in the boiling water. So you could do that and eat with the sauce on the side. But me cheering them like pouring the sauce on top. I don't eat seafood, guys. So me eating none of this. But me too cheering them gonna like it. So go ahead and pour the sauce on the top and let me see how it looking. Alright, sauce and everything turn up. So this is what it looking like, guys. And this is pretty much it. Simple and easy, quick video. Seafood boil, because this is what me cheering them when I want today. Well, this way they gonna get. Anyways, thank y'all for watching once again. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.